Welcome to OCR National Level 2 Award in ICT, Unit 4 Design and Produce Multimedia Products. This is an OCR National qualification, therefore it is 100% coursework. There are no exams throughout this course. OCR is graded as Pass, Merit or Distinction. A Pass level is equivalent to a GCSE Grade C, Merit Grade B, Distinction Grade A. As everything you will produce on this course will be assessed for the qualification, it's vital that you make sure that everything is completed to the best of your ability. If you don't get a chance to finish work in class, or if you're absent for any reason, it's vital that you see me to catch up on the work that you have missed. You must take advantage of the coursework clinics on a Tuesday or Thursday lunchtime, Tuesday or Thursday after school in room 20. So what we'll be looking at in this unit? Our first assessment objective involves us reviewing existing multimedia products so we can identify what a multimedia product is and what makes an effective multimedia product. You are then going to be designing your own multimedia product in assessment objective 2. Assessment objective 3 is going to be sourcing and storing text, images and sound. Assessment objective 4, creating your own multimedia product, and assessment objective 5, seeking feedback, evaluating and recommending improvements to your multimedia product. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to firstly define what is meant by a multimedia product, and secondly apply criteria to evaluate an existing multimedia product. So, what do we mean by multimedia? Multimedia is where there is a combination of various types of media including sound, graphics, animation, video and text. A multimedia product is a presentation, website or program which uses a combination of different media. From what you have seen so far, is this presentation multimedia? Today you are going to evaluate a multimedia product on the RSPB website. You are going to use these criteria to help you evaluate the multimedia product. First of all, source. Where does the product come from? Is it a website? Is it software? If it is a website, you must state the web address. Target audience. Who do you think the product is aimed for? So you would think about the level of language used in any written aspects of the product, the content, the style, the colours, the images used to help you decide what age group or who would be interested in the multimedia product. The purpose or aims is what you think the multimedia product is trying to achieve. So if you were looking at educational software, the purpose would be to communicate the theory to GCSE students, for example. Technical details. What is the file format of the multimedia product, or what software do you need to use it? Main features of the product. What does it do, or what can the user do on that multimedia product? What makes it multimedia? What images are there, text, sound or animation? Navigation is about how clear it is to move around the multimedia product. Do you click on hyperlinks? Do you click on arrows? How do you find the information that you're interested in that multimedia product? Interactivity is about how much scope there is for the user to get involved in the product. Are there games to play? Are there opportunities for you to input information? What makes it interactive? Positive features, negative features, and finally it's very important that you are able to suggest and justify areas for improvement. Today you are going to be evaluating a product called Avian Resurrection. You are going to go onto the RSPB website and you are going to spend 5 or 10 minutes having a look at Avian Resurrection as a multimedia product. When you've had some time to have a look at the product, you are then going to complete a multimedia product review. You will find this review on Drive P, ICT, Miss Nation, Year 10, Unit 4, and it's called Template for Reviewing Multimedia Products. You are going to complete each aspect of this form in turn, including stating the type of multimedia product, the website, the name of the organisation or the product that you have been evaluating. You are going to list and explain 3 good features of the product. List and explain 3 not so good features of the product. You are then going to discuss who you think are the target audience for the product and what you think it is aiming to achieve. You will be taking screenshots from the website and explaining how the text or image relates to the aims of the product. You will be looking at the interaction that's required to navigate the product. How did you move between the pages, screens or slides? You are then going to comment on use of images, colour, text, the pace of the product, user interaction, any video or navigation. And finally, you're going to suggest and justify valid improvements to the multimedia website or product to help meet the product's aims. If you can complete all of these tasks to the best of your ability and in sufficient detail, this is enough to achieve a distinction level in Assessment Objective 1. So, what do you need to do now? You firstly need to create a Unit 4 folder inside your ICT folder so that we can keep all the work for this unit together. Within that, create an AO1 folder because that's the assessment objective we are working to achieve today. Open the multimedia product review from the P drive, put your name on it and save it in your Unit 4 AO1 folder. You will then be given time to play the Avian Resurrection game, and we are aiming to complete the review form during this lesson. What you don't complete during this lesson will become your homework for next Wednesday.